How to back up your drivers on your PC for offline use. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up all your drivers on your PC. This can be handy when you do a clean install of Windows. It will save you some time and internet connection. To save time in this video, I'm going to use only the display driver. Link of this software will be provided in the video description. Launch the software as an administrator. Now click on Scan Current System. Here you will see the list of drivers that can be backed up. To save time in this video, I'm going to use only the display driver as an example. You can select all drivers if you want. When you are happy with your selection, click on Backup Now, select your location where you want it to be backed up, and wait for it. By default, your backed up driver will be located in your document folder, which I'm about to show you. To restore your driver, simply launch the app, click on Backup, then locate your backup folder. Lastly, click Restore and just wait for it to complete. I have been using this amazing software for years now, so I just wanna share it with you guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Enjoy the rest of your day, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't.
To change your